Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic: how to make your e-commerce website stand out in a crowded market. Let's get right into it. First up, unique branding. Your brand is your identity. Invest time in creating a memorable logo, a consistent color palette, and a distinctive voice. Use high-quality images and engaging typography to make your website visually appealing. Remember, your brand should resonate with your target audience. Next, let's talk about user experience. Make sure your website is easy to navigate. Use clear categories, a functional search bar, and filter options. Optimize your site for mobile users since many shoppers browse on their phones. A seamless experience keeps customers coming back. Now, content is king. Provide high-quality product descriptions and images. Consider adding video demonstrations or tutorials to showcase your products effectively. Don't forget about customer testimonials. They build trust and encourage new visitors to make a purchase. Lastly, focus on SEO and marketing. Optimize your website for search engines to increase visibility. Engage with your audience on social media and use targeted ads to reach potential customers. Email marketing is also great for nurturing leads and driving sales. There you have it, 4 practical tips to make your e-commerce website stand out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Drop your questions in the comments below.